Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Maths Hub. So we're going to be solving this problem simultaneously. If we call this equation 1 and then call this equation 2. So what we are going to be doing, this is a fraction. So we want to make things easier for us, and the way we can actually do that is to find a way to reduce the equations to linear. And so to do that, we are going to get the LCM of these denominators, and then we use it to multiply everything in equation 1, and then we get the LCM of the denominators in equation 2, and then also use it to multiply everything in equation 2. So you can see that the LCM of 4 and 6 should be 12. So we're going to multiply equation 1 by 12, and then the LCM of 10 and 2 and 5 is actually 10, and so we're going to multiply equation 2 by 10. So doing that, we're going to be having that this is equal to 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 12, and then for equation 2 we're going to be having 5y minus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, so you can see we have actually converted all of them to linear equations. And once we are here, you can also see that the coefficient of y in equation 1 is also the same as the coefficient of y in equation 2. So we are just going to go ahead to eliminate y. Okay, sorry, this is 5x. Okay, this is 5x. So we're going to eliminate y in this set of equations right here, and to do that we're going to subtract the two equations. So we'll subtract this one from this. So what we're going to be doing is 3x minus 5x will give us minus 2x. Okay, so 2y minus 2y should be gone, 0, and then 12 minus 10 will give us minus 12 minus 10 will give us minus 22. So at this point, we want to divide through by the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. So we say x is equal to minus 22 divided by minus 2. And then we have that our x is equal to 11. Now that we've gotten our x to be equal to 11, we can come over to any of the equations and then substitute the value of substitute 11 for x. Okay, so let's go ahead and substitute here. So we have that 3x will now be 3 times 11 minus 2y is equal to minus 12. Okay, so we have that our minus 2y will now be equal to minus 12, and then minus 33 right here, and minus 2y will now be equal to, if we add these two things, you should be having 45. Okay, minus 45. Okay, so which obviously we can see that our y is here will now be equal to minus 45 divided by minus 2, and then our y is actually going to be 45 divided by 2. So this is that, and so our y is actually going to be 45 divided by 2. So you can see that this is clearly the value for y. So we've got that our x is equal to 11, and then our y is equal to 45 divided by 2. So you can use this value to actually substitute back in your question to check if you are correct, and of course if you do that, it should be able to satisfy the equations right there. So thank you so much, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.